are really excited to share this new groundbreaking Milestones Autism Planning tool with you. We call it the MAP because it is truly your online guide for life. It takes you step by step from early childhood through adulthood. The MAP can be found at milestones.org. We walk you through everyday life issues with practical information and tips to build skills over time. The MAP is written for families and autistic individuals as well as professionals with simple explanations of terms professionals may use and resources they may refer to. The handy thing about the MAP is that it includes advice, like taking it one step at a time, and the need to have different activities and different supports for siblings or thinking about schedules and taking regular breaks for yourself. The MAP truly is for everyone. Every age, every ability, every socioeconomic background. When creating the MAP, we made sure to recognize that not everyone has the same financial resources. For example, we mentioned how professionals can help as well as offer activity ideas that you can do in your home that don't require a lot of time or funds. You can click on an article of any age and topic, and you'll learn strategies and resources like what you would suggest for employment planning or safety in the home. The MAP covers really important areas of life like employment, social skills, physical and mental health like sexuality, health and hygiene, as well as education, residential services, and all of the realms of life we should be preparing our autistic loved ones for. You can also select any article and come back to it when you want. Simply click on the little heart icon and you'll be able to see your list of favorites whenever you come back. We believe transition to adulthood starts at an early age. For example, learning how to do some simple chores as a young child gradually someday could be skills for employment training. People often come to us asking, what skills does my autistic loved one need to be as independent and successful in the community as possible? It takes time for everyone, whether they're neurotypical or autistic, to develop the skills that they need for adulthood, from chores to safety to money management. The earlier we can start, the better off our autistic loved ones will be. If you are a professional, we hope you'll tell your families, clients, and patients about the MAP and let them know about the great downloadable and customizable tools on the site. For example, the MAP features a checklist for adult independent living skills to gradually work towards over time. You'll be able to download the checklist, which is meant to be aspirational, to help you see the types of skills a person would ideally have to live in the appropriate housing setting for their needs. I have to tell you, the graphic explaining the difference between meltdowns and tantrums has changed how I now understand my own child's behavior around sensory overload. The plethora of strategies on the MAP has been so helpful for me to be able to support him. There is Spanish translation available through Google Translate. Simply click on the Espanol button at the top and it will translate all of the articles and the entire MAP tool into Spanish. We'll be adding more content and videos and downloadable documents over time, so we hope that you keep coming back to the MAP to help you with your questions and changing needs. Please feel free to reach out to Milestones with anything that you need. We are happy to support you.